Hello, today we're going to have a look at the Hi-Tech's 750 SH motor. So we've put it onto the CB4500, one of our most popular leather working machines. We're going to show you just how slow you can go while still maintaining that high torque that's required for this sort of harder vegetan leather. So we've got here, we'll turn these on. And zero them correctly. So we've got here about 6.8 thereabouts mil of leather, and we're going to put this under the presser foot. Now the setting we've got the speed to is 50 stitches per minute, and so my foot is now flat on the floor. And this machine is going incredibly slow, literally step by step. So this can be great if you're starting off, either on the stitch or in your sewing career. And then as we come through, it's going to complete on a downward stitch. That can be turned on and off. We can increase the stitch speed, so we just use that with the plus and minus buttons on the side. So we're going to go up to 150, which is still very slow, but looks a lot faster compared to that 50 SPM. So the beauty of this is that we no longer need the reduction gear, which means we're not capping ourselves from those higher end speeds if we need to sew something that can take that, or we have a skill level that allows for that. So here we go, look, going up to sort of 200 now. And again, nice and slow and controllable. And we come in there, and then we want to lift the presser foot up when it's in needle position mode. We can heel back, lift that up, and then we can put our foot on the presser foot. Take that out. And there we go. So when we've got speeds, we can go to that 150, and we can take these 4 layers, which are coming in at 1840 mil, so 3 times the amount. And again, we've still got that ability to punch through, create that stitch, and continue sewing forward. So a lot of motors that will go this slow won't have that torque, and they'll slip at this point. We can stop there, bring that out, lift that up, and you can see we've been doing some sewing earlier. But yeah, so that's that layer going through all of those. Thank you.